Delonix regia, Royal Poinciana or flamboyant tree. The Royal Poinciana is a stunning tropical tree known for its flamboyant display of large, fiery red or orange and yellow color flowers. The compound leaves are fern-like, with a feathery appearance. Flowering, it typically blooms in late spring to early summer, and the vibrant flowers cover the tree, creating a spectacular and eye-catching sight. And is popular in landscapes for its ornamental value. This tree can reach considerable heights, often growing up to 30 feet, 9 meters, tall, with a broad and spreading canopy. The Royal Poinciana is deciduous, meaning it sheds its leaves during the dry season. When in bloom, the tree is covered with flowers, but during the leafless period, the unique silhouette of the branches is still visually appealing. The Royal Poinciana is planted for decorative purposes along streets, in parks, and in gardens and widely admired for its beauty, drought tolerance. While it can withstand periods of drought, the Royal Poinciana generally thrives in well-drained soil and benefits from regular watering. The Royal Poinciana is celebrated for its stunning floral display and is a popular choice for adding a touch of tropical elegance to landscapes in